Today we're going to cook chicken shawarma kebab with homemade garlic and rosemary flatbreads with beef tallow. I'm going to do some beef tallow over the top.